A brave Benin man speaking the truth without fear or favor about the Igbos. This is coming from the mouth of a typical Edo man, not an Igbo man. Watch this video.
Yes, I know say a lot of una hate Igbo people. Yes, una don't like them. But that not mean say mo not talk the truth. No tribe, I repeat, no tribe for Nigeria fit defeat Igbo people one-on-one. Hausa o, Yoruba o, Bini o, no tribe say make dem face Igbo people one-on-one wey go fit defeat Igbo. E no dey. Mo tell ourselves the truth. The way Nigeria don take treat Igbo, if na another tribe that they treat like that, that tribe for don collapse. So earlier you know the truth is better for you. There is no tribe in Nigeria. I repeat, I be Benin person. There is no tribe in Nigeria that can defeat Igbo one-on-one in no day. And for those of una wey dey argue say, this boy wetin dey talk so, even senator, Yoruba senator Ogunlaye, Senator Ogunlaye thyself still talk am say no tribe. Yoruba no there say you wan fight Igbo people you win. E no dey. So this hate wey some of una hate Igbo people na envy, na enviness. For those of una wey never watch am, when Senator Ogunlaye dey tell Yoruba people say we no go fit defeat Igbo people. Say make dem not to push Igbo people to the wall. If you push them to the wall, they start. We not go fit defeat them. For those of you who never watch the video and God bless you.
If the character of the demography of a community changes, there is hardly anything you can do. They will take over from you. It is just a matter of time. No matter the struggle, we can strategize and give them a portion. But they say they are going to be zero. It's a waste of time. And I'm an advocate of this thing for the past 30 years. Because I grew up with them. I went to school with them. I know their capability. I know their tendencies. I know their unity of purpose more than us. I know their focus. And I know they can defeat us if you are not careful. I am very sure. I don't have any doubt at all. What I can say, where they are predominant, let us leave it for them. You cannot defeat them. Even if you harass them, they are a lot more aggressive than us. I just saw some touts disturbing them. If they attack you, you are gone. Don't push them to the wall because they are not like us. Their own upbringing is fight to finish. They've gone through it before. So don't push them to the wall.
You don't watch when Senator Ogunlaye they say Yoruba no go fit defeat Igbo if time really reach. So may I add my own. No tribe, I repeat, no tribe for Nigeria. Be you Hausa o, be you Yoruba o, be you Bini o, be you any tribe. Say one-on-one with Igbo, we go fit defeat Igbo. E no dey. And that's the reason why a lot of una hate Igbo. Igbo don't endure, Igbo don't survive. Igbo not be the problem of Nigeria. Since when they bomb me, why I take grow rich like this? Igbo man never rule Nigeria. So I still dey wonder why a lot of youth like me, they feel say na Igbo be their problem. Whether you believe this truth or you not take her or not, but na the truth. Your tribe, one-on-one with Igbo. Igbo go finish una under 5 minutes. Yoruba no go reach Igbo back once. So no go deceive yourself. The only process wey una fit take defeat Igbo na when on Nigeria, the way they first do am before, when on Nigeria follow them fight. Say one-on-one, Igbo go finish Yoruba. I know they lie you. God bless you all. If this video makes sense, let me share am.